Python is an object-oriented high-level language. It is interpreted, dynamic, and multi-purpose programming. Okay, Python is a object orientation language. So why it is object orientation means it can enhance the functionality of the program without rewriting the entire code. माने हमें easily गोटे प्रोग्राम रा functionality टाको increase करी परिबा. Interpreted. So what it means interpreted? Interpreted means if you see that, suppose I write the code like 1 to 100. Suppose it let be 1 to 100. So when it is interpreted, it is compile every lines of code and go to the 100. Suppose in 99 number line, if there is an error, if in 99 number line, if there is an error, then after rectify this one, then compilation again starts from 1. Compilation again starts from 1. So I write the code from 1 to 100. So if there is an error in 99 number of line, the compilation again starts from the beginning. So that is it's showing you the compilation error. मतलब जितेबाला मोर ए लाइन एरर हैला इंटरप्रेटर जदि हबो ताले मो मूळरू आसी पुनी अगेन हम मूळरू कंपाइलेशन बिगिनिंग करी आउ आर बेनिफिट होची कोन जेतेबेले मो सबो स्टेटमेंट गोटे चेकिंग करीबी ताले कोनोसी सेठी एरर आसीबोने आ प्रोग्राम रे कोनोसी एरर आसी प्रत्येक स्टेप देख मु जाई प्रोग्राम में कौन सी एरर आसीबार कौन सी चांसेस ही नहीं. Okay, so that is the benefit of the interpreter. The interpreter means it is compiled the program one by one basis, and dynamic in nature means when you type and press the enter, it is giving you a result. Python is easy to learn, yet powerful and versatile scripting language. It is not a programming language. It is a scripting language which make it attractive for the application development. Python syntax and dynamic typing with interpreted nature make it ideal language for the scripting and rapid application development in many areas. Python support multiple programming patterns including object-oriented programming, imperative, functional programming, or procedural style. Python support multiple programming pattern. It follow including object orientation, imperative, functional programming, or procedural style. Procedural style means you break your program into a small part, and every part you have to handle individual basis. Okay. Now write it. What is Python? It is a object oriented. Just a second.
Yes, sir.
suppose right, Python is a general purpose interpreted, right? Python is a general purpose interpreted interactive dynamic programming language. Dynamic programming language.
Dynamic language.
It is a high level scripting language.
Next.
Yes. There, it support dynamic typing. It support dynamic typing with interpreted nature.
Nature.
It support multiple programming pattern, including procedural and functional style.
Okay, sir.
So Python is not intended to work on special areas such as web programming. Okay, we do not need to use data type. In Python programming, it doesn't support the data type. ना data type दरकार ही नहीं जमते हमें C programming रे int use करते हैं
Okay.
ये सेमते हमारा दरकार नहीं data type दरकार नहीं Python make the development and debugging fast because there is no compilation step included in the Python development. So there is no compilation step is available. Okay, you can easily write the program. It is easy to use. So Python language is very easy to use and it is a high level language. Thus, it is a programmer friendly language. Okay, so because the scripting that we are write in the program is very simple. It is expressive language. Python language is more expressive. The sense of expressive is the code is easily understandable. You can easily understand the code. The Python is interpreted language. Interpreter execute the code line by line at a time. This makes debugging easy and thus suitable for the beginners. This interpreted language so that it execute the code line by line basis at a time. Next is it is a cross-platform language. Python can run equally on the different platforms such as Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. So that it is called as a cross-platform. It is open source. Open source means which is freely available. That is called as the open source. And you can get the Python from the www.python.org or you can get it in Anaconda, www.anaconda.com.
Okay.
Python support the object orientation language concept of class and object comes into existence. It implies that other language like C, C++ can be used into your code. माने हमें तला Python लिखिवा Python भितरे हमें other programming language रा concept भी एठी use करि परिवा. ତେଣୁ ଏଟା ଇଜିଲି ତା ଭିତରେ ଏମ୍ବେଡେଡ୍ ହେଇଯିବ। extensible, it implies that other language जोटा मु कहली C C++ फीचर हम एटी इंक्लूड करि परिबा। It has a large library. Python has a large and broad library. It means धर पाइथन प्रोग्राम रे हमें किछि डेवलप करूचे मु धर ऑडियो प्लगइन दरकार किबा वीडियो प्लगइन दरकार तो एटे मु प्लगइन करि परिबी। It provides the GUI programming, graphical user interface can be developed using Python. It can be easily integrated with the language like C, C++, and Java. You can easily integrate it with the other language. So these are the feature of Python. Next, Python laid its foundation in the late 1980. At the same time, your C programming has launched, but it is popular in 1990. But in 1990, it is not so working. कौन पे एटा हमर सेटा वर्क कला नहीं कारण पाइथन टा बेसी से इंप्लीमेंट करे डेटा ऊपर डेटा साइंस ऊपर जेतो से समय एते डेटा नथिला तो ये किछि हमको इंपैक्ट कला नहीं ए प्रोग्राम रो कोनोसी आवश्यकता रहलानी आउ जावा और सी सी प्लस प्लस ये सब मार्केट ऊपर अधिक चली पाइथन जेतबे आसीथिला ता पूर्वरो हमें देखोतरे एबीसी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज इज सेट टू द प्रीडिसेसर ऑफ पाइथन लैंग्वेज व्हिच वाज कैपेबल ऑफ एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग that means a runtime error. If there is a runtime error is there, like you are moving through a bike and your bike got punctured, so you are not expecting that thing is happened with you. So that is called the exception. Python is influenced by the programming language like ABC language and Modula 3. ABC language and Modula 3. So it takes the concept of ABC language and Modula 3. So Guido van Rossum was developed. He is a mathematician. He has developed this Python language. He is a mathematician, and to solve the statistical problem, he developed this particular programming platform. But he failure at that timing. It is not so much popular. Okay.
Again.
So why Python is used? Python name was given with the name of Monty Python. Monty Python is a director of a famous comedy show. Okay, then as at that timing that comedy show is so much popular, so based upon this he give its name as Python.
Yeah.
Actually Python is a title of a person. Monty Python is a director of a comedy show that is telecasted in the Netherlands at that time. So here the different version of Python we're using Python 1.0, 1.5, 1.6, 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, okay, up to 3.3 releases we have. And if you check the popularity of Python now, it becomes more popular because it is simple to write the program as well as it gives the result very fast than the other programming language. And as we are working with the huge data at that timing, then this Python is a programming language which is helping you to analysis the data, and it having the different career opportunity. It can make you as a web developer or data science. So basically it is used in the data science part. It is not like a new language, so it is developed in the 1980, and you can say like YouTube, your Insta, and Netflix. It is completely written in or it is working on the Python. Python is minutely judge every person behavior. When you open your YouTube, when I open my YouTube, and when you open your father YouTube, YouTube interface is different. Suppose you are like the Bollywood song, then in front page it is suggesting the Bollywood song. If I like any technology oriented video, so in my interface it is only showing you the technology oriented video. So Netflix is the first OTT platform which is very popular. When it has launched, it tremendously impact on the Bollywood and Hollywood, as because the it is minutely judge every customer, in which time the customer is accessing or the viewer is accessing the Netflix, and in which pattern the person is accessing. Some person is very busy from Monday to Friday, and they have only the day Saturday and Sunday. They are accessing this OTT platform to suppose to view this Big Boss or view any reality show. So Netflix is only suggesting in that particular timing that that reality show is going on and you have to watch it. Or in that particular timing, if I am or the employee or any person is want to watch this movie, it is also highlighting or notifying that the movie is going on and you have to watch. This is completely is the base on the Python. If you see that when you purchase, when you are want to going to purchase any item from Flipkart, and you choose one shirt, and somehow you are not purchase the shirt, maybe the factor of money or maybe factor of the collar, so you just left it after searching. But when you open any site that is login with your mail account, the Facebook is following you. Always the advertisement is going on. This chart is having a discount of this. Suppose you are not respond that, you are not looking for the discounted shirt. You are looking for the color. Different color is available. After some days, you are getting this color chart, and it is notifying you every time that you have to purchase it, purchase it, purchase it. So in this way, digital marketing is going on. So Python changes the marketing world, which is not a physically, which is going on the digital. By sitting at your home, you purchase any item and they influencing you. It is not like that you have to just print the leaflet and distribute it among the customer. It is not happen. It's just giving you lot of offers. Just think that when you are going to a shopping mall and you are convinced that I want to purchase only one item. Suppose I am not having my toothbrush, so I am going to the shopping mall for purchase only the toothbrush. Is it happen that you have to only take the toothbrush? Not. When you're going to the shopping mall, you are just from the front door, it is notifying you 50% discount, 60% discount, 70% discount, buy one, get three. So these are the different advertisement and notification is there. Your motto is what for spending only 50 rupees. But when you going to the shopping mall and go ahead, you just add the items in your bucket. So 50 rupees is now converted into the 3,500 rupees. So that is called as the marketing phobia. They're showing the different kind of opportunities or different kind of like what you can say like offers to purchase the item, but you are having a mindset to purchase only 50 rupees, but you purchase 3,500 rupees. Okay, so that kind of thing you can do with this Python and Python data science for the data analysis part. There are different applications are available in the Python. Like one is console based application, audio video based application, 3D CAD application. Console based application means it is working through the command line argument. This one. The application is working through the commands only. It works on the commands only. Command line argument.
Yeah.
Then Python application, it support the audio and video based file. Like you have the like online MX player. It is or like Savan, Geo Savan. Okay, in online you can play the videos and music. So that can happen by using a Python. 3D CAD application like 3D appearance, like you are playing the game of PUBG, Free Fire. So this interface, 3D interface, it is created. Python can also use to develop the web-based application. Some important development are Python Wiki Engine, Coco, Python Blocks software as a web application. Enterprise application, Python can be used to create an application which can be used within an enterprise or organization. In a big organization, can use this enterprise application. Application for images, Python can be used to create an application which can be used within the enterprise or organization. Some of the real-time application are one is OpenERP, Triton, Picalo. These are the enterprise application values. Some application were using application for images using Python. Several application can be developed for image. Application developed Python, Golf, ImageSeek is used for images only. You can use in the web application, website development पे हमें use करी परिवार. Enterprise application like those are used in the different corporate sector. That application you can develop. Application for images like image scanning, image match, face recognition, face password that you can do with the Python application. So how to write Python program? So first of all, you have to install in your device, you have to install that www.anaconda.com. So here you are get the software like download for Windows. It is automatically it is identifying you. If your Apple, then Apple, okay, then download it and install. So
Okay.
after installing it, then you can work with it. Anaconda. This navigator has come. Then choose here open. So Python has opened. So after Python has opened, then you open here Jupyter. Then comes to here Jupyter. Then if you want to display anything, so print. So print statement is used to print a statement. Okay. Okay, so print statement is used to print the elements. So write this in text. Now check here. Python variable. A variable is what? Variable is a name of the memory location where data is stored. It is a memory location where data is stored. Once a variable is stored, that means space is allocated to the memory. A variable is a memory location where data is stored. Once a variable is stored, that means the space is allocated to the memory. So when you are going to a college and in your college the seat is allocated to you, it is not fixed. It is always changes. The bus seat, it is always changes. You are going to the particular destination with the seat. Once you are got your destination, then you left the place, then other person can sit over there. So variable is like that. So right, what is variable?
Okay.
It is a memory location which is used
Next.
is a memory location which is used to store the value, and that value always changes throughout the program execution.
Sir, always changes.
Throughout the program execution. Then constant is a memory location where you store the value,
Okay.
and that value is always fixed throughout the program execution.
Yes, sir.
So how you have to assign the multiple value in a variable? So for assigning a multiple value in a variable, suppose if I write x is equals to y is equals to z is equals to 50. Now I write here print x, then I write here print y, then here I write print z. It is show all the values. It is a way of initializing multiple value and show the result.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Okay. So this is all about class for today. Okay. So I will connect you in the next class on Monday.
Okay. Thank you.